Under the Freedom Tree by Susan VanHecke. Illustrated by London Lad.
1861. May moon gleams bright as a colonel's buttons. They slip out and sing. Frank, James, Shepherd scrambled down the sandy bank, hearts drumming, eyes darting, knees trembling. Weathered skiffs bob in rustling rushes. Quick now, quiet. Stars hold their breath, and so do the three, 4 miles from the old oak tree. Oars dip, no sound, silver ripples, still away now, away. Away from camp and colonel's work, dragging, hauling, digging, stacking, until every bones ache. 4 fingers bleed, away from rifles back, cannon's loud roar, war, away from Southern soldiers who would own them, work them, beat them, sell them, keep them slaves forever. Flitting waves slap rotten wood, whispers low and shivery. What if we're caught? Shackles, a whip, sold down river, or worse. What will we find across the deep water? Better forward than back, think the three, as they course closer to the old tree. Brass moon fades and sun climbs high. Stars and stripes flutter. General squints, spits, strokes his chin, ponders the fate of the three. Frank, James, Shepherd. To his shores they came wrapped in night to stand bravely before him. Heads bowed, hopes bold. Now comes Colonel's messenger under white flag truce, high on a horse, here to fetch the three, 2 miles from the old oak tree. 'Tis rule of land, these United States, you must return our chattel. Chattel, persons as possessions, owned and used like cows, pigs, dogs. General scowls, owl's eyes narrow. People are property, muses he. Yet wait, these United States. Yes, sir, says General smooth as the tide. Have you not heard? 'Twas only yesterday Virginia withdrew, succeeded, she did, from the Union of States. So let it be known, I do here claim and seize your chattel as enemy property. Contraband, war, now are the three, as springtime sun warmed the old oak tree. Frank, James, Shepherd, 3 become 40. William, Charlotte, Waddy, then, hundreds, then more, runaways, stowaways, barefoot, mud-crusted, better forward than back. Fortress fields, proud they spill. Beyond the high walls, beyond the stone gate, gathering old logs, scavenging rough planks, cobbling crude shanties. Slab town, they call it. And still they come, in patches and patterns. They come and they come, a human stream, thousands upon thousands. George, Alicia, Harry, Pete, Sarah, David.
1862. Now Slabtown feels. Crowded, they spill into the ruins of a city once set aflame. Torched by Confederates, Hampton smolders in ash. There, in rebels' rubble, scorched earth, charred timbers, brick. They build and they build. Grand Contraband Camp. Days are for union work, dragging, hauling, digging, stacking. Nights they fall, spent and hungry, on cold dirt floors. But here at Slabtown, here at the camp, they are not what they once were. Slabtown is their town, so too the Grand Camp, a home of their own, a first for the many, a home for them all by the old oak tree. Missionaries come bearing Bibles and news. Worship God, sing praises and pray. We should teach your children. Reading, writing, so long forbidden. But how? But where? No schoolhouse at Slabtown, no books at the camp. Teacher, brave teacher, gathers them all. As war rages on, under cool leafy limbs float boys and girls' voices. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Sheltered in the shade of the old oak tree.
1863, New Year's sun frosts a pewter plate sky. Hundreds huddle under strong, wide branches. Frank, James, Shepherd, and all who came after. Hearts drumming, eyes darting, knees trembling. Boys climbs on the crate. Long paper in hand. Hush now. Quiet. Wind holds his breath, and so does the throng. A voice clear, sure, and strong. Boy starts to read.
By the President of the United States of America, all persons held as slaves shall be then, thenceforward, and forever free.
Tears run down and shouts rise up. From trees, hollers, tips, up to the clouds. We're free! We're free! Lives change forever under the freedom tree.
Under the Freedom Tree is based on events that took place during the Civil War near the Emancipation Oak, a historic southern live oak tree that still stands in Hampton, Virginia. For more information or historical background, please visit the author's note.